Hello loves! This is your Tita La Cochera, Love Miss Rowan. In today's vlog, we will explore the Baguio City Night Market. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you get updated on my latest vlogs. Night market operations in Baguio City resumed last February 24 after 3-week hiatus with stricter protocols to comply with GCQ restrictions. Entry and exit points are limited and stricter health and safety protocols will be observed and implemented. All night market goers are reminded to strictly comply with the safety requirements like wearing a face mask and shields and observe physical distancing. Vending time is from 8 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. 30 minutes allotted prior and after for preparations and packing up. Only 352 stalls were allowed to operate, representing 1/3 of the original number of concessionaires to allow more spaces and avoid crowding. 48 of which are food stalls, which are located at the Ganza parking area. The reopening aims to restore the livelihood of the displaced vendors without sacrificing the health and safety of the people. Stricter protocols were adopted to comply with GCQ restrictions. There are lots of uniformed personnel around the night market to ensure the health and safety protocols. I hope you enjoyed our walk at the Baguio Night Market. Thank you for watching. Bye, loves!